In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Roblox on the Nintendo Switch 2. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up your Switch, then go to the bottom menu and go ahead and scroll down until you see System Settings. Once you're over here, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see Internet, then you want to press on Internet Settings. And the reason why we need to do this is because we need to access a web browser, and in order to do that, we will need to adjust our Internet settings. So believe it or not, you can still access Google on the Nintendo Switch 2, but again, you will need to make some changes on your settings. So you just want to go ahead and press on Internet Settings. Now it is going to go ahead and search for all of the networks around you. So just go ahead and wait for it. All right, and you should already be connected to a network in order for this to work. So this is my network over here, and what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on it just like so. Then you want to go ahead and select on Change Settings. Once you're done with that, a menu like this will appear, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and keep on scrolling down until you see DNS settings, and you'll notice by default it will say automatic. We need to go ahead and change that to manual. And now we need to go ahead and select on primary DNS IPv4. So this one right here that I'm selecting on. And now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and delete the default one. And instead, you want to go ahead and put in these particular numbers. All right, so you want to make sure you have these exact numbers right over here. And then you just want to go ahead and press on OK. Then you want to go ahead and select on save, and it will say settings have been saved. So go ahead and press on OK one more time. And now it will begin to scan your networks again. So go ahead and just wait for it to load in. And yep, now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on the network one more time. Then you want to go ahead and press on connect to this network, and now it will begin to connect to the internet, but it is actually going to fail, and that is okay. That is supposed to happen. So it's a little bit weird, but it's about to fail right over here. Yep, and then you will notice that it will say this network requires user registration. So you just want to go ahead and press on OK right after that, and then afterwards it is going to take you to a screen that looks like this, and now you can go ahead and select all these different services that we can go ahead and use. So yeah, you will notice that towards the top we will get the option that says go to Google. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on that, and then here you are, guys. We are now on Google. So now what you want to do from here is you want to go to the search bar just like so, and just type in Roblox. So go ahead and enter that in, Roblox. Then you just want to go ahead and search for it. Go ahead and press on OK. And then, yep, there you go. Roblox will be on the very first option. So you just want to go ahead and press on that. And yeah, from here, you guys are able to go ahead and sign into your Roblox account. Now, I'm going to be completely honest. Roblox really isn't optimized for the Nintendo Switch. So the gameplay may be a little bit awkward or even laggy. So you may encounter bugs or glitches whenever you're trying to play or log in. So please keep that in mind. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.